Okay, my audience members, Don Tran, Andy, Long, and Zach. And this is my speech on bath salts. Here you go. Okay, you guys ready? You guys see that? Alright. Have you heard of a new drug called Blue Silk or Cloud 9? This drug is probably unfamiliar to you guys because it's a new drug called bath salts, which has just been introduced into the market. Um, their names can be Blue Silk, Cloud 9, Purple Wave, PV, Blizzard, Bloom, and many others. Hi, my name is Viet Do, and I work with diversion programs to spread awareness of different types of drugs. And with this current attention, the knowledge and understanding of this drug can be very helpful. Okay, in order to have a good understanding, I will speak about this drug. I will speak about its chemical makeup, its dosage and usage, and its legal status. So the first thing we're going to talk about is this chemical makeup. And according to the toxicology letters of Dr. Mendola, bath salts, which are made up of a variety of chemicals, but its main active ingredient is a synthetic cathinone, which is typically MDPV, methylone, and mephedrone. Okay, and each product that you buy within the stores will differ in their chemical composition, um, such as within the US, bath salts can be bought are usually made up of MDPV, where in Europe is made up of mephedrone. Okay, and little is known about how it interacts with the brain, how the chemicals interact with the brain, or how it metabolizes in the body. But researchers say that it is similar to amphetamines, which are drugs such as Adderall and methamphetamine. And amphetamines are basically drugs that will result in the stimulant effects of an increase in the feel good chemicals dopamine and serotonin. Okay, next we're going to talk about its dosage and usage. How you take it. Bath salts can be taken in a variety of ways. It can be snorted, swallowed, injected, or smoked. But the two most common ways are being swallowed and snorted. Okay, and next we're going to talk about its usage or its dosage. The drug user will feel its effect after only 3 to 5 milligrams, which is very little compared with cocaine or any other types of drugs. And the average amount that a drug user would take of bath salts is between 5 to 20 milligrams. Last, we'll talk about its legal status. Okay, and before it was made illegal, this drug was sold as under the category bath salts or plant food, which disguises its true purpose from the government. It had a label and followed all FDA requirements, and even had labels such as "Do not consume," so the government won't believe that will not see that it is a drug, and so it will be sold in the market. But as soon as the government found out its true purpose, that people were buying it only to inject, swallow, snort the drug, the government began taking it under temporary control. And according to the DA of Public Affairs, bath salts were made under temporary control in October 21st, 2011. It controlled the three chemicals MDPV, methylone, and mephedrone, and it was made under a Schedule 1 drug, which is the most restrictive. Um, Schedule 1 drug is basically it's the most highly abused, and it has no medical use whatsoever. Okay, and current research is made on its threat on societies for government to take permanent control. And after they do the research, then they will take permanent control of the drug and make everything illegal. Okay, and now we're going to talk about the punishment for possessing bath salts. Punishment for possessing bath salts will differ from state to state. The amount you carried and the intent that you have for the drug, whether it is to deliver, manufacture, or sell, that sort of thing. And according to the Nebraska statute 28416, possessing bath salts or a controlled substance will result in a mandatory jail time, fine, probation, um, community service, and or drug treatment. But if you possess a greater amount, it can lead to felony charges, which is you have to be tried under federal courts, and the punishment for that is a lot greater. You can the jail time, community service, drug and alcohol treatment is gonna be a lot greater. I have just talked to you guys about bath salts' chemical makeup, its dosage and usage, and its legal status. And with this current attention, it is necessary to have knowledge about this drug's chemical makeup, its dosage and usage, and its legal status. And with full knowledge, an individual can fully understand this drug's impact on people and society. Thank you.